Have you ever wondered what led to the cataclysmic event that wiped out the dinosaurs from the face of the Earth? It's a question that has intrigued scientists and laymen alike for centuries. Over the years, several theories have been proposed, from volcanic eruptions to drastic climate changes. Some even suggested a cosmic intervention, painting a picture of alien dinosaurs. But the most fascinating and the most widely accepted theory, however, involves an asteroid that forever changed the course of life on Earth. The discovery of this asteroid brought about a paradigm shift in our understanding of Earth's history. The first inklings of this cosmic revelation began to emerge in the late 1970s. That's when geophysicists, while exploring the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico, stumbled upon something extraordinary. A vast, circular depression now known as the Chicxulub crater. At first glance, it was hard to fathom the enormity of what they'd found. But as they delved deeper, the pieces of the puzzle began to fall into place. Further studies and investigations revealed the site to be the impact point of a massive asteroid. Now, this wasn't just any asteroid. We're talking about a colossus from space, estimated to be anywhere from 10 to 15 kilometers in diameter. To put that into perspective, that's more than the length of Manhattan Island. This celestial giant, hurtling through the cosmos, found its mark right here on Earth, and when it did, it unleashed an unimaginable force. Picture the energy released by an atomic bomb, now multiply that by billions. That's the kind of power we're talking about. The impact of this asteroid is believed to have released billions of times more energy than the atomic bombs dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. An event of such magnitude it forever altered the course of life on our planet. The asteroid's impact didn't just create a massive crater, it triggered a series of catastrophic events that led to the mass extinction of the dinosaurs. The shockwave from the collision radiated outwards, causing massive tsunamis to ripple across the world's oceans. These gigantic waves, reaching heights of hundreds of feet, devastated coastal ecosystems and drowned countless creatures. But the devastation didn't end there. The energy of the impact was so immense that it caused the ground to melt, releasing a flood of molten rock, which blanketed the surrounding area, incinerating everything in its path. Yet the most lethal consequence was yet to come. The impact hurled an enormous amount of dust and soot into the atmosphere, blocking out the sun's rays. This created a nuclear winter effect, plunging the Earth into a prolonged period of darkness and cold. The sudden drop in temperature and the lack of sunlight disrupted photosynthesis, leading to a collapse in the food chain. The world as the dinosaurs knew it had ended. Over a period of years, these harsh conditions led to a mass extinction event, wiping out about 75% of all species on Earth. The lush, vibrant world of the dinosaurs had become a desolate wasteland. The world after the asteroid impact was a drastically different place, a post-apocalyptic wasteland where only the strongest and most adaptable species could survive. The asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs may have spelled the end for these magnificent creatures, but it also paved the way for new life forms to emerge. With the dinosaurs out of the picture, mammals, once small and unassuming, began to take center stage. They evolved, diversified, and eventually, one lineage led to us, humans. So, in a way, we owe our very existence to this catastrophic event that occurred 66 million years ago.